The circulatory system, often referred to as the cardiovascular system, is a remarkable network that tirelessly transports blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout our bodies. At its core is the heart, a muscular organ with 4 chambers. The right side pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is exchanged for fresh oxygen. This oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left side of the heart, ready to be distributed to every cell in the body. Blood vessels play a crucial role in this process. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, while veins bring deoxygenated blood back. Capillaries, the tiniest vessels, are where the magic happens, exchanging oxygen and nutrients for waste products at the cellular level. Blood itself is a fascinating mixture. Red blood cells transport oxygen using hemoglobin, while white blood cells defend against infections. Platelets aid in clotting, and plasma serves as the liquid medium carrying essential nutrients and hormones. The circulatory system is vital for delivering oxygen and nutrients, removing waste, regulating body temperature, and supporting our immune function. Its intricate pathways ensure that our bodies function optimally, highlighting the incredible design of human physiology.